Good morning, student. Last time we discussed a couple. What is couple? Equal, opposite and parallel forces makes a couple. What are the example of couple? First example of couple is car wrench. When you open a nut with the help of a wrench, suppose this is the wrench, how you open the nut? Like this. So I am applying two forces, one from here and one from here, like this. So this is an example of a couple. Similarly, when you turn a tap like this, you turn a tap like this. So again I am applying two forces, one from here and other from here. So two forces are there. This is an example of a couple. Now next is tightening of a lid. When you are having a lid and you just tight it, how you tight it? Like this. Again you are applying two forces, you are applying one from here and one from here, or you can like this. If you are having a, suppose any container, you apply the force like this. Two forces are there, one from here and one from this side. So this is an example of tightening of a lid, is an example of couple. Similarly, when you turn the key in the lock, again either to lock it or unlock it, you rotate your two fingers. So this is also example of a couple. Steering wheel is another example of couple. So these are the example of couple. Next topic is how you can derive the formula for movement of a couple. Moment of a couple. Moment of a couple. How? Suppose you are having a bar AB which is pivoted at point O. Let total length of this bar is D. Suppose you apply F force over here and same force in the opposite direction at point B. Then moment of A is equal to force multiplied by distance, perpendicular distance, this distance is OA. Similarly, moment on B is moment of B is force multiplied by perpendicular distance. Now the perpendicular distance is OB. Therefore, total moment is moment on of A plus moment of B. Moment of A is force into perpendicular distance plus force into again perpendicular distance. Taking force common, you will have OA plus OB. Now see, OA plus OB here. OA plus OB is AB. So you can write into AB. But AB is equal to D. So F into D. So this is the formula for total moment of couple. Total moment of couple. So what is total moment of couple? Total moment of couple is either force. That means force on A or force on B multiply by D. D is the arm of the bar. So you can say arm of the bar or simply distance. either force into distance or arm. So this is the formula for total moment of a couple, which is either force into the arm of the couple or perpendicular distance. So this is the total moment of the couple. Now next topic which we are going to discuss is equilibrium. Equilibrium. What is equilibrium? To understand this, first of all, take an example. Suppose you are having a body and you apply suppose 5 Newton force in this direction and same force in the opposite direction. Now if I am applying the same force in the opposite direction, definitely the body is not going to move. It will remain at rest. Similarly, if I take a bar, suppose AB is a bar and it is pivoted at suppose midpoint is O, and if I apply F force over here and F force over here, then this force will try to rotate the point A in the anti-clockwise direction and this force will try to rotate the point B in the clockwise direction. So you will be having two moment number 1 which is in the anti-clockwise direction and this is the clockwise moment. Now if I take the sum of these are equal and opposite, so total moment is net moment or algebraic moment is 0. This bar will not rotate anywhere. It is not going to rotate. So equilibrium is what? Equilibrium is when various forces act on a body and the body remain in its state of rest or of linear motion or of rotational motion, that is known as equilibrium. That is, several forces are acting on the body, but the body is maintaining its rest or its linear motion or its rotational motion. So that is known as equilibrium. Now types of equilibrium. Types of equilibrium. There are two types of equilibrium. First is called static equilibrium, and second is dynamic equilibrium. Now what is static equilibrium? Static equilibrium is this: when several forces are acting on the body and the body remain in its state of rest. Static means rest. Many forces are acting on the body but body is still at its state of rest. This is known as static equilibrium.